Even if Migratory Birds is not on top of your list of interests, a stop at Skagen Grey Lighthouse is highly recommended. Instead of going the last 200 meters to Grenen, stop at the Center for Migratory Birds. In addition to the cool digital exhibition, the center has a great indoor and outdoor cafe with a beautiful view over Kattegat and access to the top of the lighthouse with an even better view. You enter the center by a courtyard. From here you can access the ticket office, exhibition, shop and cafe. The scientists can also access the bird observatory and offices from the courtyard. Skagen is an important pit stop for migratory birds on their journey and is therefore a great place for an observatory and a center. The center opened its doors in May 2017 in the completely refurbished lighthouse building. The virtual experience follows the migratory birds on their way on a long journey and is illuminated with lots of interactive screens and tables in different sizes, developed by one of Europe's leading developers of electronic media experiences and installations, the German company named artplus.com. From the exhibition you can access the lighthouse tower and climb the 150 steps to the top. Every step has its own number, counting down the remaining steps to the top. From the small 360-degree viewing platform surrounding the lighthouse lamp, you have also an amazing view over both Kattegat, Skagen and Grenen. The cafe is located in a small separate building with tables both inside, in the courtyard and on a terrace facing the sea. The cafe is an All the Goodies favorite, which we present in its own video. Follow the link at the end of this video to watch more. If you enjoy our travel tips, please subscribe to All the Goodies.